what's this today? Today's Tuesday, and I just got home from Insanity. This is why I look so rough. I know I look hella rough. My hair, I like literally the ponytail holder is like still on it. I was going in and I recorded it for you guys, so I'm gonna put it at the end of the vlog, but it's a hot mess. I was tired as hell, but sorry, I need some water. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to cook dinner and I'm doing like a Chipotle inspired, I'm doing the healthy version of Chipotle, even though Chipotle is already healthy, so I guess this is not really the healthy version. This is like my home cooked Chipotle. So yeah, I'm really excited because I love Chipotle. But yeah, so let's get started. So the ingredients I have, instead of using rice, I'm gonna use this rice cauliflower. I got this from HEB. I think it was like $3, and you cook it in the microwave, so you already know I'm in love because your girl is lazy when it comes to cooking. I brought some guacamole. These are the Holy Guacamole minis because anybody got time to be making guacamole, even though it's easy to make. I just would rather have these, and it's already like split up into like the calorie counts, so I thought that was pretty convenient. I got some light sour cream. Ooh. Salsa. If you live in Texas, this is some really good salsa. It's from HEB. It's so delicious. Like, it's a little pricey for salsa, but splurge on yourself. Get this. You just get it. Thank me later. And also I got this from HEB. This is spicy chicken fajita thighs. They didn't have any already cut chicken fajita meat. Well, they do have the chicken kind, but I don't really care for it, so I'm just gonna have to chop this up and cook it myself. We'll see how that goes. And then I got some corn and black beans. I know they're in a can and like that's not really the healthiest option. You want to get fresh foods, but I ain't got time. Well, I didn't have time, so I'm gonna take y'all over here so we can kind of get a view of what's going on. I already chopped up my vegetables for the bowl, so that's going. And I have my pan, so I have the pan. This is what I'm gonna get the chicken in. That's for the black beans and the corn. And yeah, let's get started because I am hungry and I want this food to be done now. So let's get the camera together. Yeah, okay, so first I'm gonna chop up the chicken because that's the only thing that really has to cook. Everything else is like pretty much microwavable, which is a blessing because your girl is lazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the vegetables started. I'm gonna cook them in the same, I should probably turn around. So I'm gonna cook the vegetables in the pot that I'm gonna cook the chicken in. So I'm just gonna like kind of just, I was gonna say toast them, but that's not the word. Just like lightly cook them so they'll still be kind of hard, but you know, not raw. So maybe I should put y'all over here because I'm like kind of far. Yeah, it's kind of dark over there. Whatever, this is what we're gonna have to do. Yeah, that's not coming on. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray it with the this is the coconut oil one. I love it. It works really good. These pans are non-stick, but don't believe the hype. Non-stick pans do not work. So just put that out there for y'all. Ignore me getting all up on the camera like that. I was trying to see if the setting was right because it's kind of dark. So I'm gonna put it on medium, and I already washed the vegetables off, and I'm literally just gonna like put them in the pan and just let them cook for a little bit. If you don't like vegetables, you don't have to put them in, like, use vegetables. I personally like veggies, so yeah. So now we're gonna get to the chicken, and I'm gonna kind of angle y'all down. My camera works with me, so y'all can see. How do you open it? Let me put y'all down a little more so you can see what's going on. So this is the chicken. I don't know how to open this. Interesting. I really hate cutting chicken because it's so disgusting. Ugh. It's just like, look at this. It's like membraney. So I really wish they would have had some already cut so I didn't have to touch it, but we don't. So sorry. It's like already touching my hands. So I'm gonna put y'all up here while I cut this because it's gonna kind of talk through. So disgusting. So I'm just gonna like kind of cut it like fajita meat, like this little like long pieces, but it looks hella bad because, you know, I ain't Chef Ramsay, but I do what I can. And I'm only gonna do like 2 of them because I mean I don't need all this chicken. It's just me. I look so rough. I literally look like I died and came back alive. Like, just look at my hair. That's when you know you had a good workout, when you just look completely out of it. But anyways, today is Tuesday, and you guys will be so proud of me. I've really been sticking to, like, you know, living my best life in 2018. I don't know, I just got this like newfound motivation, and I was just like, I'm tired of, like, you know, stopping and quitting. Like, I have to care about myself more and put myself first. And so I was like, I'm gonna do this. Like, yes, it's gonna be hard, but I'm just gonna stick to it and do it because it's gonna be worthwhile. So I don't know, I kind of just have been prep talking myself, and it's really been working. Like, the other day I was at boxing class, and like guys, this chicken looks so disgusting when it's coming out. I'm gonna show y'all when I finish cutting it. But I was at boxing class, and I was like about to give up, like, because I was boxing, I was so tired. I was like, ah, and I was like telling myself, this is gonna be a little, but I was just like, well, I call myself a bitch, but I'm not a bitch. But I was trying to, I was like, Celeste, like, girl, why the fuck are you stop, excuse my language, but why are you quitting? Like, keep going, like, you can do it. So I don't know, that really helps me when I feel like giving up. Like, I just start talking to myself real crazy, like, girl, what you doing? Like, you know, so that works for me. I don't know if it worked for y'all, but yeah. And then somebody at my boxing studio yesterday, they were like, how much weight have you lost? You look like you lost a lot of weight. And I was like, Celeste, thank you. But I was like, I haven't lost anything, because y'all already know I was going in for the last couple of weeks eating everything under the sun. Trying to find a fork. Am I the only one who feels like forks just like disappear? Like, I have forks for days and I can never find them. The vegetables aren't really cooking right now, so I just turned it up a little more so they can cook some more. But yeah, so let that sit. I'm about to wash my hands to have chicken membrane on them. See that? It's disgusting. I still have my Christmas hand soap because I love Christmas time. I actually still have my Christmas tree up, y'all. Do y'all want to see this? Look, like, I real life. Where is it? Still have my Christmas tree up. So sad. But I mean, it's only the beginning of the year, so hey, I have some time to get my life. Yeah, I'm getting some plastic paper plates to put the vegetables on, because I don't like to wash dishes, so I'm the paper plate queen. Like, and I try to make it cute. Let me like try to get the same ones, like the plates to match the bowl, so I don't feel as bad. Like, when people come over, I'm like, at least it's cute paper plates, you know? It's got a little color. But so the veggies are starting to cook, and we just want them to get a little brown. So yeah, we'll give that a few more minutes. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and cook this. This is cauliflower rice. It says microwave instructions. Place frozen bag open, this side up, lay flat in microwave, do not pierce bag. How long did I cook this? Oh, 4 minutes. So let's get that going. I think the veggies are, yeah. Ooh, look at me getting my chef on. Chef Leslie in the kitchen. So the veggies are good. Just gonna put them in the paper plate. I just finished the vegetables. Turn the heat back down. I'm gonna wipe this out. I'm gonna put some of this. This is organic virgin olive oil, but you don't have to get organic. This is just on sale, that's why I got it. I think olive oil is olive oil, but ugh, that's disgusting. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in the pan, and I'm gonna show you guys. I just pour enough to like get the pan like wet all the way around, and I'm gonna put it back on the stove. And then I'm about to go grab the chicken. That olive oil actually smells really strong. So here's the chicken. I just sliced it up. It looks so disgusting. I just sliced it up. Kind of, I was trying to make it look like fajita slices, fajita strips. And I'm just gonna put it in. Dang, that was hot. And just let it cook. And okay guys, so I just finished, everything's cooked, so I'm gonna actually use a real plate, even though I said I wasn't. I'm going to, because it's a lot of stuff and it's like kind of heavy. So yeah, this is the cauliflower rice. Look how it looks. It actually really looks like rice. So I'm just gonna put one in the middle as the base. I'm gonna grab my veggies. I'm just gonna use my hand because it's for me. I love veggies, so yeah, and I really love onions. Just throw some of those on there. And then here's the chicken. It looks delish. I let it cook a little longer because I like my chicken to be kind of crisp. So yeah, I'm gonna put one more piece because your girl a little hungry. So we got that on there. You know how Chipotle does the scoop of corn. So I'm gonna put the scoop of corn. This actually does not look like Chipotle at all, but hopefully it tastes good. Got the black beans. I don't want all the juice on there. Top those on the top. Just put a little more. The black beans. And now all we need is the salsa. Just pour that on. Ooh, that was a lot of salsa. That guacamole. Oh, I forgot the cheese. The guacamole. This is how the packs come. I'm just gonna open it up and just scoop some on top. That was a lot. Okay, let me get the cheese. I forgot the cheese. Do I have any more cheese? Oh yeah. This looks so delicious. This is 2%. This is like low fat cheese. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on it because cheese is really fattening. But you know, whatever. And then last we have the sour cream. This is also low fat sour cream. So you know, let's get you a nice little dollop. Okay, that's more than a dollop, but it's gonna have to work for today. And yeah, that is my version of Chipotle. Doesn't it look so good? I'm gonna try it in front of you guys. Let's see. I've never had cauliflower rice before, so that tastes like rice. This is pretty good, you guys. Y'all should definitely try that. It's really good. But I'm about to eat this because I'm so hungry. But y'all have a good night and see you tomorrow. Bye.